Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to know who liked you in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to look at who liked you in Badoo. Right here, at the very bottom, you'll see something like likes. Click on this tab right here and this will open up. As you can see, some people have liked me. To reveal your likes, you need to be subscribed to Badoo Premium. From here, two options will be provided: to delete the person who has liked you or to like them back. Let's try to view them and something like this will open up. Do note, to view the people who have liked you, you have to be subscribed to Badoo Premium or Premium Plus. Only then can you view the people who have liked you. Well guys, that's it. That's how you view the people who have liked you in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.